For today's video, guys, ayos lang muna tayo ng mukha since first vlog natin to, guys. So, ayun nga, guys, ang ating magiging topic is our low budget. Mostly kasi meron ba kayong mga low budget package na pwedeng pang ilaw lang, pang TV, pang phone charging. Recently kasi, guys, hindi tayo nag-offer since our minimum watts na ino-offer natin is yung mga pangbahay talaga, mga 3 kilowatts na yun above. Now, we have, guys, our 100 watts low budget package. Okay, ano nga ba ang kaya ng ating 100 watts package, guys? By the way, we have 4 major components. Una dyan yung ating 100 watts, solar panel, guys. Ito yung ating 100 watts solar panel. Also, we have our 10 amps charger controller. We also have our inverter, 1000 watts inverter. And also, meron tayo ditong lead acid battery. Guys, as you can see, yung mga ating mga components is for low budget. So, at least naman siguro, depende guys sa paggamit kung gaano siya katagal magagamit. Alright. Regarding its connection, guys, very easy since Siglit Solar, medyo inaayos na yung mga wirings and may mga labels tayo. We do also solar installation pero for this kind of solar kits na maliliit lang, guys. Usually si client na ang nag-i-install. Mostly din kasi nag-order sa atin ng mga ganito, guys, is around 2 to 5 hours far away from the heart of Benguet. And for our inverter, by the way, guys, inverter, ano ba nga ba kasi ang gamit ng inverter? Dito tayo, guys, nagsasaksak na ng ating 220 volts. Hindi ko lang kung nakikita nyo, guys. Pero check na lang yung picture dyan. Dito tayo nagpa-plugin ng ating mga 220 volts socket. Wala akong makita, hindi pala ako nag-prepare, guys, ng yung ayan, 220 volts. Okay, we can just turn this on and off. This one, eto, meron pre-labeled wire na rin siya. Easy to connect to the battery. Okay? So, this is our inverter. Diyan muna siya, guys. Ito yung wire ng ating inverter. Let's start first with the controller. For the controller, guys, ito, yung 100 watts solar panel natin. Nag-prepare na rin kami, guys, ng kanyang wire. Okay? Bakit? Kuya, ba't mo ito tinape? Ba yan? Tanggalin na muna natin yung tape. By the way, guys, this wire is 5 meters only. You can request na mas mahaba yung wire niya. Pero, as much as possible, guys, the shorter, the better. Para, mas mabilis mag-charge yung ating batteries. And, let's make a separate video, guys, kung ano yung magiging effect nga ba kung mas mahaba o mas maiksi ang ating solar wires. So, this is our solar wire, guys. Rule of thumb, we have a black and a red wire. Red wire goes to the positive, black wire goes to the negative. Pero, to make sure din, guys, na tamang pagkakakonect, syempre, i-double check din natin dyan. Hindi ibig sabihin, guys, na black yung wire is negative yan. Ibig sabihin na red ang wire is positive yan. Depende pa rin kung saan siya nakasource. So, you have to double check. Also, guys, pag once na nakasalang na yung ating solar panel sa araw, at pinagdikit nyo yung dalawa, it might create a spark. Okay? Expect a spark there, guys, kasi nag-short circuit yung positive and negative, kaya it creates a spark. So, don't, to be safe, guys, lagyan na lang ng electrical tape muna yung isa sa kanila. Okay? Lalo na again, guys, kapag nakasalang na siya sa araw. Okay, so let's get the positive and the negative wire of this solar panel. Tabi muna natin siya dyan. Okay, and then, let's get our charge controller, guys. Ito yung ating solar charge controller. Again, guys, pre-labeled na to as A, B. Nilagyan na namin to ng label para di na kayo mahirapan maghanap kung paano i-install. Okay? So, we have here the red wire. Meron tayong makikita dito, guys, na S1. I'll put in a zoom in picture there, anywhere there below Just check it out, guys. All we need to do, guys, is plug this wire. Plug lang natin siya, guys. Again, right for positive, hanapin lang natin dito si S positive. Okay, shoot lang natin siya dyan, guys. And then get your screwdriver. Higpitan lang natin siya. Try natin tong isa lang sa labas, guys, since it's been 3 weeks na walang araw dito sa Baguio, La Trinidad. As you can see, naka-puffer jackets tayo, guys, and naka-face mask kasi masakit na sa ilong yung malamig na hangin. Pero sa totoo lang, ayaw lang magpakita ni Inday ng mukha sa video. Anyway, guys, black wire goes to the negative. So, again, guys, pre-labeled na to. Wait. Luwagan lang muna natin yung papasukan ng ating wire. And then, let's plug it in. Okay. There you go. Higpitan, guys. Laging higpitan yung ating mga connections. Loose connections, guys, leads to something like that. This one, again, guys, controller to the battery. Lagyan na lang muna natin tong battery natin. Wait, let me find my wrench. Oh, here. You also need wrench, guys, for your battery. It's number 10. Pero depende rin naman sa screw na nagamit sa kanya. Okay. Luwagan lang natin. Also, guys, for the battery, meron din tayong stickers here that indicates this one goes for this connection. That one goes for this connection. Meron tayong positive and negative terminals here. All we need to do is remove this bolt. Lagay lang natin, shoot lang natin dito sa battery. Ano kasing tawag natin dito? Nakalimutan ko, guys. Something. Yeah. Nako. Kailangan na natin mag-memory plus gold. Rule of thumb again, guys. Red for positive and black for the negative. For this part, guys, meron tayong mark na letter D. It goes to the letter D side of our battery. Super easy lang, di ba, guys? Inayos na po ni Glitz Solar yung inyong connection so that you won't need to read manuals or stuff. Meron na tayong, also, guys, be careful, wag pagdakitin si positive and negative once na nalalagay na natin yung ating, once na nako-connect na natin yung ating battery. Okay. Higpitan again, guys, using your wrench, or if you have a socket, why not? For today's video, we only have wrench. Yan. So, okay na, guys. Again, wag natin pagdikitin tong positive and negative. Once na pagdikitin nyo yan, it might create a spark that will lead to we have a battery port here. C goes to letter C. Ayan, guys. Yan yung sinasabi natin, guys, na may markings na tayo. May pre-markings na tayo. C goes to port C. So, let's go first with port C. Okay, yan. Higpitan lang natin eh. Sinihigpitan lang natin yan ng maigi. And then D goes to port D. Okay? D goes to port D. And ayan, nagpa-power up na, guys, yung ating controller and it says 12.9. Wala ko pang picture pala. Yan, guys, 12.9. Nakikita nyo po ba siya? Let's try to zoom it in that later. Eto, guys, what it indicates is that meron tayong 12.9 volts currently from our battery. Wala siyang nadidetect. Usually, in this first part, nadidetect niya sana yung solar panel. Try natin ilabas itong solar panel, guys. Hopefully, umabot yung ating wire para lumabas yung indication na charging siya. And then, this one, guys, ibig sabihin, mag-output na siya. Okay? It is available for USB charging or for light bulb. For light bulb, guys, you can just directly put the positive and negative wire here. Okay, meron positive, negative dyan. Si L1, L plus, L minus is charge controller. Alright? For our inverter guys, super duper easy lang din to. As you can see, meron tayong positive and negative dyan. Tanggalin lang natin to. Let us remove this nuts. Lagay lang natin si black sa black. Black to black. And then, higpitan lang natin. Okay. And then also si red, on red. There. Okay. Yan. We're all done. Ano na lang natitira ang gagawin, guys? For this one, guys, all we need to do is to clamp it in our battery. Again, guys, be careful. Okay? Ito si inverter, usually kinaklam lang natin yan sa ating battery. The black one for the negative and the red one for the positive. Let's clamp it in. This one is for the negative. Let's just put the positive first. Ayan. Initially, guys, on a first try lang naman, pag dinidikit natin to mag-i-spark siya, but no worries, that's normal. We call it something. Let's discuss that on another video, guys. Mahababang explanation na naman. But, it's okay. Don't panic. It's organic. No need to worry. Okay? So, guys, let's turn it in our inverter since it's plugged in already to our battery. Ita-turn on lang natin yan. Yan. Meron ka na, pagka-on nyo guys, may maririnig kang fan. Ito yung exhaust fan niya. So, pag po-position tayo ng inverter, it's nice not to hindi covered yung side na to. Kasi ito yung kanyang exhaust fan to prevent overheating. So, this one is our inverter. Anong kaya niya guys na i-power up by the way? So, for this 100 watts package, guys, ang kaya niya lang, even though, kasi, question, 1,000 naman yung inverter, bakit hindi kaya yung ref that is usually 180 or 150 watts only? This one, guys, sa inverter kasi meron tayong tinatawag na high frequency and low frequency. And under that, meron pa silang tinatawag na pure sine wave and modified sine wave. This one is okay, in short na lang, siya na yung pinakamahina sa kanilang klaseng lahat. This one is the modified sine wave na high frequency. It cannot supplement yung needs ng ating refrigerator. So, ano nga lang bang kaya? Lightweight appliances, guys. Electric fans, cellphone charging, light bulb, TV. Okay, safe na safe ka dyan, guys. And other than that, something below 100 watts din na it doesn't require a heavy motor, yung mga motorized or may heating and cooling functions na appliances. Okay? Dalawang possible mangyari, either masira ang inyong setup, solar setup, or maybe baka yung appliances yung masisira. Okay, guys? So, this one, again, guys, is recommended for only light bulb, TV, electric fan, phone charging, and this is our low budget setup. So, it's time for us to put this in the outside world. Kuya Bells, please put this in the outside world. Ayan, nilalagay na po ni Kuya yung... Ayan! Okay, guys, here. As you can see, nakasala na kasi guys yung ating solar panel sa outside world. Kaya makikita nyo na meron tayong sun input here. Okay? And then it indicates that our battery is charging. Pero syempre, slow charging siya. Kasi yung outside world dito guys sa Baguio, may daylight lang pero gray na gray pa rin yung sky. So, ayun guys, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. I'll just put in a zoom in. I-zoom in na lang natin to guys pag nag-edit na tayo. This one again indicates that it is charging the battery. Ayan, may 12.9 volts siya and it is ready for output already. You can plug in here your phone kung pwede ka na, kung gusto mo mag-charge. Actually, using guys the charge controller only, you can use it na the package, but except for the part na magsasaksak ka ng 220 volts kasi yun yung silbi ng ating inverter. It converts the DC to AC. Another video for that. Okay, so if you need to plug in 220 volts, guys, just plug it in here. Okay, solar panel pasok. So guys, this is our low budget solar kit package. If you want to build, just visit us here at KM3 La Trinidad. Look for Glitz Solar. And we have 2 parking space up front, guys. Don't worry. But usually, hanapin nyo lang kami, guys. Hanapin nyo lang yung signage natin dyan. But if you have any inquiries, please do message us on our page. If you have any more questions, comment on the video below. Comment below lang. For our solar kits, 100 watts ang pinakamaliit natin, but we can go as far as how many kilowatts depende sa inyong housing needs, electrical consumption needs. We do customize quotation for those, guys, kasi it's case-to-case basis. Depende sa requirement ng inyong bahay, okay? So we do compute for that, guys, and send you quotation, just message us. But for these ones, we also have available 150 watts, 200 watts, 400 watts solar kits. If you have any question, again, guys, message us. Bye! Hirap pala.
Crazy!